Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another one of my videos. And today we're playing Floating Sandbox, I think's the name of it. I keep forgetting. But of course if you hear anything in the background, it's probably my rabbits. But they've been pretty chill today. They've been kinda like me. But today we're playing where we're gonna cause destruction to all kind of aircraft carriers. And different ships and stuff, see what they can survive and stuff. Now, fun fact about this ship, I forget the name of the DKM Flugzeugdämpfer. Yep. But I just want to say, or see, like say it was like facing off against a battleship. But I found out that these planes blow up real fast and easy. Well, that left a shockwave, but that didn't blow up like I thought it would. No, it ain't blown up. Some of these planes blow up, I know. Let's see. Boom. Yep, the back can go in and do it again. Pew! This has a lot of compartments in it, I tell you. It's doing the reverse Titanic. Just sink. There we go. It's sunken now. What? Is it sinking when it's still going underwater and it ain't touched the bottom? Is that sinking or sunk? Has it sunk or is it still sinking? No clue. But there that is. And I'll be back when it hits the bottom so y'all can see it. Okay, so here it is. It's about to hit the bottom of the ocean floor. It got blew up. I see it. It's made contact and the whole flight deck's gone under the ship. Yep, it's like there's a tiny little airplane. If you were a submarine and you were going down on the bottom of the ocean, could you really tell what that was? You could clearly tell that it was some kind of ship, but could you tell like what kind? I mean, if you can't see the flight deck, you would think it was a battleship or something. Cruiser or something like that. But that ship, I'm gonna get another ship and see what we'll do with that one. Okay, so I got the Graf Zeppelin. It's a German aircraft carrier. Looks like it's World War II because of the flag. Had the bad man. But I want to see how big of waves this can survive. So if we go here, wave. Now let's just have like, just like a bunch of full waves. Like I don't, maybe a tectonic plates moved. But it's lifting it up. And if people were on deck, they'd probably be wiped off. If the airplanes wasn't tied down, they would probably be flying off. But it's bending it like a straight banana. Makes no sense. But here's a big wave coming. It's sweeping over the flight deck. It's flexing. I feel like a bouncy house. People inside flying up and down, hitting their head, getting knocked out. Magazines probably would explode. Bombs blowing up. Oh no, what's that? Torpedoes and dive bombers have been loose. Oh my lord. Blew up. Okay, that is secondary explode. How could this have happened? It's not like it was planned. So who in their right mind would plan for the sinking of a great battleship or an aircraft carrier? Oh, now there's a big old storm coming. Not welcome. Let's see, it's sinking though. I think it's sinking. Let's see. Yep, it's sinking. It split. It did the Titanic, except the version of 3 segments that got broken in half. The Germans have aircraft carriers in World War II? I don't think so. I never heard of them. Then again, I might be totally wrong. But you can see it's doing the Titanic. The dark gloomy sky. And the planes have nowhere to land, so they either go to inland or they would land in the ocean. And it's under. It was under. Okay, now it's under. And you can see it's sinking. Completely sunk. It got sunk by the British. I would say the French, but you know, they kind of surrendered. I mean, they got brought back after D-Day and stuff, but we'll say the British sunk it. I'll be back with one more ship. Okay, so I found another one. This is the only one I could find. I had it paused. But this is the only one. It's a Japanese one. The IJN, Imperial Japanese Navy. Now, how would this have been sunk? Torpedo? Internal explosion? Torpedo attack? That way? Out. Boom. So two torpedoes hit, flooded multiple compartments. It's under that one. You see the fish. Fish swimming around. See. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. I just had to get like a quick thumbnail because I'm gonna start doing thumbnails. While we watch this sink, I'm gonna talk about some stuff. Now, as y'all can see, probably, I've made a banner and a new profile thing for the channel. And I want to know your opinion on it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? And leave suggestions for any change you think that it needs. Because you're welcome to. I read the comments. And also about the War on the Sea video campaign thing. I was going to make a video on that. But for some reason it's not working. I tried to do the campaign started for YouTube, and it just stopped right in the middle of loading. So I figured I would just make a new one of those later though, but no. Oh no, bombs rolled loose. Well, that's all basically that I wanted to talk about. Oh yeah, and also expect thumbnails now. But I found a free website to do thumbnails on. So I'm gonna try to do that. And it's sinking, you can tell by the sad music. And the planes blew up. Oh, the tail's going, the stern is going under. Pressing on that, be like, oh, sinking. Okay, well, that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment about anything. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.